Deputy Chief Minister Prasoon Tinsong has admitted that revenue generation of the state has come down. Speaking to reporters, Tinsong said the generation of revenue has come down because the state has to do transportation of coal, which has been declared and confirmed by the Deputy Commissioner, and even the auction process is not being done by the state government but by the Coal India Limited. He said the government has to strictly follow as per the MMDR Act for starting legal mining in the state. He, however, informed that a number of people have already applied for mining leases and the process is on, and soon the government will be able to issue the final mining lease to those leases, but it should be according to the law. It may be mentioned that the Comptroller and Auditor General CAG test check of records of one unit relating to the Mining and Geology Department during 2019-20 has revealed non-realization, short realization of revenue and other irregularities involving 113.80 crore rupees in 6 cases.
Right now what we have to do is transportation of only those coal which was declared, which was already confirmed by the Supreme Court. Then now again, even auction process done not by the state government, it is done by Coal India. That's why now we have to strictly follow as per the MMDR. As per the Act we have to follow. And then quite a number of them, they already applied for the mining lease. And the process is on. I'm sure very soon we will be able to issue the final mining lease to those leasee